Microsoft Office is the best Office suite solution. It has great tools which are making easier your work with text documents, data sheets, and presentations. Microsoft Office, which is now called Microsoft 365, is not free. The price for an Office solution varies according to your location. So there are different free Office suite solutions that can be used to do nearly the same thing as Microsoft Office. In this video, you will get the top 5 free Microsoft Office alternatives. So let's begin our top with number 5. Unit 5 is Apache OpenOffice. Compatible with other major Office suites, Apache OpenOffice is free to download, use, and distribute. Some users may find its user interface a little old school. The Microsoft Office Word alternative is OpenOffice Writer. Calc comes as an Excel alternative, and Impress can be used as a PowerPoint alternative. By number 4, we have OnlyOffice, which includes a desktop and online version. The paid version of OnlyOffice will be much expensive, so you don't need them. Instead, you can use the free desktop version for any purpose. The desktop version is completely open source. The web version of OnlyOffice also free of charge and fully compatible with Microsoft Office formats. You can connect third-party services to create an integrated document management space and work with your documents directly from any cloud. The third one is FreeOffice. FreeOffice is a complete Office suite with a word processor, a spreadsheet application, and a presentation program, all compatible with their counterparts in Microsoft Office. Simply download it for free and use it for as long as you want. It can run on Windows, Mac, and Linux. FreeOffice is full-featured, easy to use, and compatible. With FreeOffice, you can not only open but also save documents in the Microsoft file formats DocX, XLSX, and PPTX. Share files directly with Microsoft Office users without having to export them first. You can work with either modern ribbons or classic menus and toolbars. If you use a computer with a touchscreen, you can now switch to touch mode with larger icons and increased spacing between user interface elements. This new touch mode is available both with ribbons and with the classic menu-based user interface. Number 2 is Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides. If you are using a Google ecosystem, this will be a great solution for you. You can use apps on Android and iOS and use the online version via your favorite web browser. To use them, you just need a Google account. If you don't have a Google account, it's time to create it. The cool thing is your files are stored in Google Drive and can be edited on different devices that you use. They will be synchronized when you connect to the internet. You can open all Microsoft Office files with the Google Apps or in the browser. Our honorable mention is Microsoft Office Online. Yes, Microsoft Office has an online version where you can create and edit your files, or even upload an existing file to edit. As a Google ecosystem, you need a Microsoft account to use Microsoft Office Online. They are free to use because the online version doesn't include numerous features of the desktop version. The familiar Office experience you know and trust, so there's nothing new to learn. The top Microsoft Office alternative is LibreOffice. LibreOffice is free and open source software. Original based on OpenOffice.org, commonly known as OpenOffice, is the most actively developed OpenOffice.org successor project. Its clean interface and feature-rich tools help you unleash your creativity and enhance your productivity. You can download it to Windows, Mac, and Linux. In most Linux distributions, such as Ubuntu, LibreOffice is pre-installed. LibreOffice includes powerful tools that can meet your needs, and it's available in more than 100 languages. The internet is an essential part of our life, so you don't even need to install anything on your personal computer. You can just use the online versions that we mentioned earlier in this video. I hope you find your free Microsoft Office alternative, so like this video and subscribe to my channel. All links are listed in the description box. Share this video with your friends and watch other videos on my channel. You will find something interesting.